Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given three ordered pairs, and we're asked which of them satisfy the inequality 5x minus 3y is less than 4. So the easiest way to go about solving this problem is just to plug in each of these points into the inequality and see if it holds. So for instance, for the first point, 1, 1, we would plug in 1 for x and 1 for y and see if the inequality is still true. So what would that look like? Well, we have 5x, so 5 times 1, minus 3y, so 3 times 1, is less than 4. 5 times 1 is 5, minus 3 times 1 is 3, less than 4. 5 minus 3 is 2, is less than 4, and this is a true statement. So 1 does satisfy the inequality. Now we move on to 2. In this case, x is 2 and y is 5. So we have 5 times x is 2, minus 3 times 5 for y is less than 4. 5 times 2 is 10, minus 3 times 5 is 15, is less than 4. 10 minus 15 is negative 5, which is less than 4. This is true, and therefore 2 also satisfies the inequality. Last but not least, we have 3, where x is 3 and y is 2. So we have 5 times 3 minus 3 times 2. Again, plugging in 3 for x and 2 for y is less than 4. 5 times 3 is 15, minus 3 times 2 is 6, is less than 4. 15 minus 6 is 9, is less than 4. 9 is not less than 4, it's greater than 4. So 3 does not satisfy the inequality. So our final answer is going to be 1 and 2, which means C. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.